welcome to day 11 of our Solve of This, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. So far we have got as far as discovering where day 11 is. So each day we need to work out where the day is, and it was in the bath.
In the bathtub. And
Down
we
here.
are, by the way, Laura Jane Ayres and Dr. Gareth Moore.
We are, thank you.
welcome.
And we are puzzle and brain training authors and have written a large number of puzzle books. But in these videos for this calendar, we're not writing, we're just solving.
That's all true.
Day 11, Alex Horn hosted Taskmaster 2 Edinburgh in 2011, featuring 10 contestants, with Josie Long being crowned winner even. 11 is underlined.
11 is underlined.
Many of the days they've underlined the number, but not
Except
always.
I think 5 so far.
5, as in just day 5, not 5 of them. So our task for today is backwards.
Ooh.
Go backwards, it says. Okay.
Go backwards one day, look under the carpet. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now.
Yeah, so you read all the lines backwards.
Yeah.
Yes, go backwards one day, look under the carpet. Well, first of all, let's have a look in the room. Oh, it's like the... We've seen this room before,
We
haven't
have seen this room before, or a variation of it. Previously, there was an egg on the table. Now there's no...
Yeah. Well,
the egg's there. The skull has moved.
The skull has moved, yes, you're right. So we probably need this another day, or it's just a bit of fun, I don't know. But the rooms are definitely changing.
So we want to go back to day 10 and look under the carpet?
I think that's what it means.
I think so.
All right, so number 10 is over here.
Is there a carpet in there? Something under there? Or is it... We noticed when
I think it will come out.
first had a... Oh, do you think so? I was going to say, when we first had a look, there were little perforations.
Yeah, I think the carpet will come loose.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. The carpet will pull up.
Behind the sofa? Question mark?
Behind the sofa?
Can you read that backwards?
Yeah, is this sofa here?
Oh, look, I think the whole room comes out. A hidden room.
Oh, it is a hidden room.
Take it all out.
Let's take it all out. Yes, it's come out the one above. So we don't need the rest of this room. It's now come out. Look at that.
Ooh.
A hidden room. Peep.
Wow, noon.
There's bits of paper fabric in there. And it says rotator, lizard on a drill.
These are all palindromes apart from...
Palindrome?
Rotator's a palindrome. Wow's a palindrome. Noon's a palindrome.
I see, but lizard on a drill, which is actually something on the calendar I think I've seen before, isn't a palindrome. Behind the sofa, taco cat, you're right, they are palindromes.
Don't nod. So you think a lizard on a drill? Have you seen a lizard on a drill somewhere? Lizard on a drill.
Yeah, there was a lizard on a drill. I saw something like that before.
you?
Yeah, I think so. Let's
Love
just zoom
that.
that out a bit.
Lizard on a drill.
Yeah, there was
Wonderful
over here
specific.
somewhere, I think. Something weird. I read it out the other day.
Lizard on a drill.
Yeah.
Oh, we thought it was a hairdryer.
I thought it was a hairdryer.
Yeah, but it's a lizard on a drill.
Is that really what it is? Yes. My goodness. So
Obviously.
this is the solution to today.
Great.
So we're expecting to see 12 inside here, aren't
Let's
we?
hope so. And then we're halfway through.
If I can actually open the flipping thing.
Ooh.
Yeah, day 12.
Okay, and
But
that's
look
a
at
bit
that,
of
it's
a
a
map.
prison.
Lovely.
Well, there we go. That is day 11 of
Hooray.
the Taskmaster Advent Calendar, and it's as inventive and fun as every other day, which is a good thing, because they were all good days.
We're having fun. We're having a nice time.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed it, and we shall see you on day 12 tomorrow.
See you
Until
there.
then, bye-bye.
Bye.